Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? I hope well. So I did a thing yesterday, like literally yesterday. I went and bought the Stanley Cook Set for 2. I was watching Fab Creations the other day, and he showed one that he'd bought, and he said it was $11. So naturally I had to swing by and see if they were still $11. They weren't, but they were on closeout, so I had to get it. So I get the camera down, I'll show it to you. Alright, got some friendly crows saying hi. You're probably wondering why I bought this when I've already got plenty of cook sets at home. And you know, mainly the only reason I bought it is because it was on closeout. It was only $20. And I've been super happy with the Stanley products. Well, basically all of them. Get rid of it. I haven't even opened this yet. Come on. Get off there. So of course you got the pot with the lid. It almost looks just like the Snow Peak. What reminds me of the Snow Peak. So you get a couple of sporks. I may or may not even use. And it comes with a couple bowls for eating out of. They look just like the green cup, but a larger version of the green cup, which I dig because the green cup is pretty nice. I don't know if I'd actually use the sporks, but it's nice that they actually come with them, and I'll have a couple of extra laying around. I mean, they hardly weigh much, so I could just throw them in a you know, a set, or just throw them in a bag and bring them. So yeah, let's make a brew. Speaking of Fab Creations, there's his channel sticker. And of course I'll link them below. I got the Fancy Feast stove out. Thought I'd give it another run. Because I like it. And this time let's actually put the fabric around it and then put it in the can, which I didn't do last time. I want to have this sitting on something besides plastic tailgate. Do that. Sweet. Alright, so I picked up this little bottle here at a it's called just a plastic store and a bunch of other random stuff. I thought it'd be a nice way to sort of measure out my pour, so I'm not putting too much fluid in. And of course I got it all over my hands, which is just great. Yeah, just making a mess everywhere, Mark. Good job. Alright. I'm using a bottle to measure, because last time I had way too much fuel in there. Oh. Alright. Water here. Sweet. Close up of the stove in action. Man, it's just such a cool stove. Love it. Gonna be making a cup of mocha that Diddy Bushcrafting Outdoors sent me. It's just, you know, just add boiling water. One of these packs. So, first time I ever had it. I was gonna say it was already starting to bubble, but yeah, we've got boil already. Let's get this. Whew, that one. Maybe too much water in here. I was just thinking. Might have made it too. Alrighty, cheers. Yeah, I think I get too much water. Wow, it's hot. I might stir in another one. I don't know if that's gonna show, but there is a deer that just came hopping through. Let's see. I don't know if he's gonna show up, but he's right there. Camera's not zooming in close enough. I don't know, you may be able to see him moving. Come on, bud. Move out in the clearing. He's just, let's see. Come on, man, you're on camera. Do something. Well, I'm happy with the set. Which, you know, I realized I didn't wash the cups before I brought them out. I just took them out of the box, but oh well. And mocha's good too. Good stuff. Thank you, brother. Alright, well that is the Stanley Cook Set for 2. Or for me, because I'm going to use it solo, but I like it. It's pretty good. I don't have a weight yet. It's a 1.1 quart / 1 liter, I think. 18.8 stainless steel, BPA free. Nests all together, dishwasher safe. Not to mention, I like Stanley products. They're really good. All right, well, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.